static routing is nothing as what the network administrator can assign the IP addresses of the destination routers or destination machine manually and their cost. So that nothing as your static routing. And the dynamic routing is what periodically updated their IP addresses as well as your cost of the destination router and their destination machine. The periodically they updated their tables, network tables or routing tables. Okay, that is we call it the dynamic routing protocol. So in between that, the dynamic routing protocol, okay, so they follow the different protocols, or they follow, or they having the different dynamic protocol. That first is nothing as a inter-domain routing protocols, and another is a intra-domain routing protocols. So intra-domain routing protocols, uh, we right now we uh, having a diagram. So using the diagrams we clear again. Okay, so right now the loading is there. So dynamic routing protocols having the different types: interior routing, or we call it as a intra-domain, or exterior routing protocols we call as a inter-domain. Okay, so what is a intra-domain and inter-domain? Okay, using diagram we can discuss here. Okay, so suppose this one your autonomous system, and this one is another autonomous system. Okay, and that one network is here, another network is here, another network is here. Again that autonomous system, that the three networks are there. This is the autonomous one, and this is the autonomous 2. Okay, so that networks, the autonomous first network, the network administrator, okay, they assign the host here. This one assign the host, this one assign the host. So that the inside what are the structures in autonomous systems, the network administrator here not assign the static or manually the IP addresses. They periodically updated in between them the networks. Okay, so that we call as what? Autonomous system first internal networks we call as a intra-domain. Okay, and then suppose autonomous first network, this one network, and the autonomous second network, this is another network. If suppose they are connected both the networks, okay, through the routers, that we call as what? The इंटर-डोमेन राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल्स. ओके, मतलब कि ऑटोनॉमस सिस्टम फर्स्ट पे जितने भी नेटवर्क्स है उस पर राउटर चल रहे हैं, तो हम उसके बीच में जो भी कुछ चलेगा प्रोटोकॉल्स के थ्रू डेटा चलेगा, तो वो हम बोलेंगे उसे इंट्रा डोमेन राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल्स के थ्रू चलेगा. बट ऑटोनॉमस फर्स्ट और ऑटोनॉमस सेकंड के बीच में अगर मुझे कनेक्शन बना के डेटा ट्रांसफ़र करना है फर्स्ट से लेके सेकंड तक, ऑटोनॉमस सिस्टम फर्स्ट से लेके ऑटोनॉमस सिस्टम 2 तक, तो मुझे वहाँ पे इंटर डोमेन राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. ओके, तो कौन से विच आर दी routing protocols are there, we have to find out. So you know all of you the already the diagrams we have.